Hello everyone, so welcome to my YouTube channel. तो क्या जिसका मुझको था इंतजार, जिसके लिए था दिल बेकरार, जी हाँ वो घड़ी आ गई। तो जी हाँ, अब वो घड़ी आ चुकी है। तो अब हम रेशियो एंड प्रोपोर्शन का, जिसका बेसब्री से सबको इंतजार था, today in this video we are going to do the ratio and proportion, the most important questions. You can say these all questions are PYQ. These all questions are previous year question which they have appeared already in the examination, or we can say the most important questions. Like these type of questions, maximum number of chances that they can appear in the examination. So today we are not going to do much more questions. Today we are going to do just 20 questions. Okay, so next video another 15-20 questions we will do. So like that, for the ratio and proportion we are going to cover up almost 40 to 50 sums. If you will do that much sums, means you will easily get 3 marks, because ratio and proportion consist of 3 marks. So whatever the questions I am doing here and whatever the questions I will do, you focus on that, you will easily score 3 out of 3. So before starting, those who have not watched the ratio and proportion videos, so you can go to the description. I have given the link for both the videos, ratio and proportion concept video, and in the link also I have given my the Telegram channel. Okay, I have given my Telegram channel, so you can join the Telegram channel. In that Telegram channel I will share this PDF, so you can refer as a notes. Okay, and in the Telegram channel I will give you the test also. Okay, and in the Telegram channel only you will get the most important questions for your practice. So that also you will get in the description. Okay, so we will start. So see, if your mind is not working, eat badam. But don't see the reels kacha badam, pakka badam. Mind will not work. Okay. Start. 1, 2, 3, start. Incomes of R and X. First time they have given R and X, otherwise they will give X and Y. Okay, so income of R and S are in the ratio 7:9. So what we will do, first of all we will write what are incomes. R is to X, we'll write R is to S. So incomes of R and S is 7:9. So for income I will take 7x. Okay, 7x and 9x are the income of R and S. Okay, 7x and 9x. So income is 7x is to 9x. And their expenditure are in the ratio 4:5. So I will write here. What we will write? We will write expenditure. So income I will take as X. Obviously not yours. Expenditure I will take Y. So what will expenditure will become 4y is to 5y. 4y is to 5y. Here it is very important. Total expenditure there whose R and X. Their total expenditure is equals to income of R. So how much R and S their expenditure is the income of R. Paisa. Paisa. Okay, so what they are given, total expenditure. So I will write here total expenditure. Whose total expenditure? Total expenditure of R and S. So total expenditure of R and S is equal to what? Is equals to income of R. Uri Baba. Income of R. So what is the total expenditure? 4y plus 5y. Right, total expenditure. So expenditure of R is 4y, expenditure of S is 5y. So total expenditure means we will add. So 4y plus 5y is how much? 9y. So 9y is income of R. What is the income of R? Income of R is 7x. So what we will get here? We will find the value of y, because at the last we have to find the ratio of their savings. So what I will do, I will get the value of y from here. So what is the y? Y is 7x by 9. So y is 7x by 9. Very good. Now he has asked what is the ratio. He asked is what is the ratio of their savings. So what do we have to do? First of all, we have to write the savings formula. What is the savings formula? Very good. Whatever your income, not your income, income minus expenditure, because for income you are studying this. Okay. So savings formula is what? Incomes minus expenditure, because he asked what is the ratio of their savings. So savings is income minus expenditure. So first of all, we have to find the savings for R. SR means savings for R. So savings for R means income of R is 7x minus expenditure is 4y. So 4y guys means 4 into y is what? 7x by 9. So because of this I have find the y. So because both should be in x and x. So it will become 7x minus, what will happen? 7 for the 28 by 9. So 28x by 9. So what will happen here? 7 9 the 7 9 the 63. 7 9 the 63, right? 9 7 the, those who don't know, see this. If it is like this, you have to multiply with this. Okay, and whatever here it is addition, you have to add with this 28. If it is subtract, you have to subtract with 28. So 7 9 the 63. 63 minus 28. 35. Yes. So we'll get 35x by 9. So 35x by 9 is what? It is a saving of R. Now we have to find the saving of S. Yes, saving of X. Saving of X means same, income minus expenditure. So income is 9x minus expenditure is 5y. 5 into y is what? Y is 7x by 9. So 9x minus 7 5 the very good, jolly good. 35x by 9. So what we will do? We will multiply this 9 9 the 81. Very good. 81 minus 35. We will get 46. The 46x by 9. So we got the savings of R is 35x by 9. Savings of S is 46 by 9. They tell to find the ratio. So ratio of saving of R to the saving of S. So what will happen? 35x by 9. Okay, ratio means whole divided by, थोड़ा सा नीचे चलो, 46x by 9. You can see guys, see x will get cancelled, 9 will get cancelled. What we will get here? 35 is to 46. 35 is to 46, because here x by 9 will get cancelled, so it's 35 46. So 35 is to 46. Where is the option? Option kidhar hai sir? Option sir. 35 is to 46. Yeah, jolly good. Eat badam. Mura kacha badam. Okay, pakka badam. Ji maga lagi ni lala badam. Okay. Now we will come for the question number 2. Question number 2 pe aayenge babu. The question number 2 he told, a bag, very important question. A bag has 105 coins containing 50 paise and 25 paise coins. So in a bag you have a total of 105 coins. Ooh. In that you have only 50 paise coin and 25 paise coin. Okay. So they told ratio of the number of these coins is 4:3. Means what we will do? We will use our small brain. Because see the total coins. total coins is 105, correct? And 50 paise and 25 paise is only the coin. So what is the ratio? 55 paise is to 25 paise. What is the ratio? Ratio is 4:3. Means what will take? 4x and 3x. Because in the video only I have told, in the concept video I have told, if you will get like this 4:3, we have to write like this 4x and 3x. See, total coins is 105. Total coins is 105. So total coins means what? 50 paise and 25 paise coin. So 50 paise coin is 4x and 25 paise coin is 3x. So total coins means we will add 4x plus 3x. 7x is equals to 105. So we will find the value of x, not yours. 105 by 7. So 105 by 7. So 15. X is 15. So x we got is 15. Now what we will do? Now we have to find the number of coins. So see, 50 paise. 50 paise coin is how much? 4x. 50 paise coin was 4x. So 4 into x is 15. 15 for the 60. So this is what? This is the number of coins. So 50 paise coin is 60 numbers. Okay. Same we will go for 25 paise coin. 25 paise coin is 3x. So 3 into 15. So 15 3 the 45 numbers. Means 50 paise coin is how much? 60. Okay. 60 coins is of 50 paise and 45 coins is of 25 paise. So you can add 60 plus 45 is 105. Okay. So what we get to know, 60 coins is of 50 paise. Okay. And 45 coins is of 25 paise. Now we have to find the value, because they told the total value in rupees in the bag is. We will find the total value. So total value, what we will do, guys? See, 50 paise coin we have 60 numbers. Means 60 into 50 paise means what? 0.50. Correct? So we'll got the rupees. We have to write in rupees is 30 for this. Now for 25 paise we will add it. So 25 paise means how many number of coins? Number of coins is 45. So 45 into 25 paise means what? 0.25. So it is 11.25. So once we will add 30 plus 11.25, we will get 41.25. 41.25 is the total value in the bag. Where is the answer? Okay. John banega. Don choda beam. So 41.25 is the answer. Oh, रुको जरा सबर करो. He is also don't have a sabr. He's going. Okay. In a department, the number of males and females are in the ratio 3:2. So males and females ratio they have given 3:2. So what I will take? 3x and 2x. Right? 3x by 2x. Correct? So male is 3x, female is 2x. So 3x by 2x they are given. If 2 males and 5 females join department, means guys, see, 2 males will join the department and they have told 5 females will join the department, then the ratio become 1:1. So ratio is 1/1. You have to find what is initially the number of females. So what we have to find? First we have to find the value of x, obviously not yours. So I have, as I have explained in the proportion chapter, like whenever you will get like this, so what we will do, every time we have to do is a cross multiplication. Whenever you will get like this, numerator denominator means one ratio is equals to another ratio, what we have to do, is a cross multiplication. So it will multiply with 1, so it will be 3x plus 2 equal, and this side will be 2x plus 5. Okay, very good. Yes sir. So I'll bring the x one side. So it will come here. So this is a plus 2x, it will come this side, so minus 2x. 3x minus 2x equals 5. This is a plus 2. When it will go that side, it will become minus 2. So 3x minus 2x is what? X. And 5 minus 2 is 3. John बनेगा down छोड़ा b. Okay, wait a minute. इसका क्या b है? 41.25. इसका d सही है. अरे यार रुको जरा सब्र करो, सब्र ही नहीं है. So x is equal to 3 we got. X value is 3. They told to find initially the number of females. The number of female is how much? 2x. Number of female is? Number of females. Number of females is 2x. So 2 into x is 3. 2 3 the 6. Answer is 6. Ashte. पता नहीं क्या बोलता है बट कुछ तो बोलता रहता है. हाँ, the ratio of two quantity is 15:17. So the ratio of two quantity is 15/17. If the consequent of its inverse ratio, guys, consequent we know antecedent is what? Numerator is antecedent, consequent is the denominator. So they told consequent of its inverse ratio. So inverse ratio means we have to do ulta. So 17x by 15x, right? This is the inverse ratio because they told of its inverse ratio. This is the ratio 15:17. Inverse is 17:15. So they told 17x by 15x is the inverse ratio, and they told consequent of its inverse ratio is 15. So what is the consequent? Denominator. So they have told this. Consequent is what? Consequent is 15. So consequent is what? Consequent is 15x and antecedent is 17x. So 15x is 15. So you got the x value is 15 by 15x is 1. Then the antecedent is 17x. So 17 into x is 1. 17 1 the 17. Answer is 17. See guys, when we was child, what we have learned that x तो बेवफा होती है. x क्या होती है? x बेवफा होती है, इसलिए बोलते हैं ना x बेवफा होती है. सो x डोंट हैव एनी वैल्यूज. x का कोई वैल्यू नहीं होता भाई. x का कोई वैल्यू नहीं होता, समझो तुम भी. x का कोई वैल्यू नहीं होता. ये बचपन में पढ़ते थे. दिस ऑल व्हाट वी हैव लर्न इन द चाइल्डहुड. बट व्हाट द मैथ सेज, मैथ सेज नहीं बेटा, नहीं. x also has some values. This is the maths. Okay, see, x have some values. Okay, so those who are saying that x don't have any values, x also have some values. अब बेचारे कुछ को x याद आ गया होगा. x याद आ गया, मुझे याद आ रहा है, x याद आ रहा है. तो डन विद 4. यस सर, डन. 3 का भी डन हो गया. हाँ, तो जिसको समझ में नहीं आएगा पूछ लेना. Those who won't understand, please ask. Okay. So in a certain business, पैसा भाई पैसा. In a certain business, A and B received profit. So A and B are doing some business. So in a certain business, A and B received profit in a certain ratio. We don't know the ratio. Okay. So what they have told, A and B received profit in certain ratio. So ratio is A is to B. Okay, A is to B has received a profit in certain ratio. We don't know. मुझे नहीं पता, मुझसे मत पूछो ना. Okay. Then they told B and C received profit in the same ratio. Means what the ratio? A and B received a profit in the same ratio. B and C will also receive the profit. So means what they have told, A is to B is equals to B is to C. Means A and B will receive the profit in whatever the ratio which is same as how the B and C will receive the profit in the ratio. Okay, understand? A and B a ratio is similar to the B and C ratio, profit ratio. They told if A gets 1600, okay, A gets 1600 and C gets 2500. Here is C. C gets 2500. How much does B gets? So guys, see, from childhood we are learning. So see, from childhood what we are learning in a maths, that whatever we have to find, we will take it as X. Okay. See, the thing is, you want to get rid of the thinking of X, but math is like, नहीं छोड़ेगा ना तो बहुत जगह और नहीं जगह और बहुत जगह नहीं जगह, वैसी वाला मैथ इज लाइक जब तक तोड़ेंगे नहीं तब तक छोड़ेंगे नहीं, वैसे जब तक तुमको एक्स का याद नहीं दिला देंगे तब तक छोड़ेंगे नहीं. So what we have to find, how much does B get? So we will take that B will get as X. So X equals right, B as X. So in place of B we will take X because A and C is already given. So how we will write? We will write 1600 by X is to X by 2500. So what we will do? We know that what we have to do? We have to do a cross multiplication. Yes sir. X into X is X square equals 1600 into 2500. 1600 into 2500 cross multiplication. Uri baba. We are getting 4 1 2 3 4 5 6. Uri baba. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we have to find the value of X. X is means B. So we will do the X means square root of this much. So whatever answer you will get, we will do the square root. So X is 2000. So how much the B will get? 2000. Another important question. अरे रुको रुको भाई. What they have told here? They have told if A is to B is 5 is to 3, B is to C is 6 to 7, C is to D is 14 is to 9. You have to find the value of A, B, C, D. One is Mulli, other is Karela. So A is to B is what? A is to B is 5 is to 3. Then they are given B is to C. B is to C is 6 is to 7. Okay. Then C is to D. C is to D is 14 is to 9. So I see whenever you will get like this A, B, C, D. If it is A is to B, B is to C is okay. We will go from front. Okay, from forward. If they are given more than C, like D, D is to E. So what we will do? We will go reverse. We will go reverse means C here. We will take this two. Okay. Now see, what is the common? C and C is common. To find the C, you have to see the C. So C and C is common. Means this 7 and 14 should have to be similar. Because B and D are different. So B and D can be any value. So what we have to make? We have to make the C and C. The both C should have to be similar. Means the 7 and 14 should have to be similar. How it will get similar? Very simple thing. We have to do a cross multiplication. This will multiply with 14 and this will multiply with 7. That's it. So when you will get like A is to B, B is to C, guys. Every time we have to do a cross multiplication only. Okay. So if you will get A is to B, B is to C, what we will do? We will do a cross multiplication of B because B are same. Okay, A is to B, B is to C. We will go forward, no issues. But A is to B, B is to C, C is to D, or D is to E. What we have to start from? Opposite, ulta. Okay. So BCC is just similar. So 7 and 14 we have to make similar. So how we'll make the similar? We'll do a cross multiplication. So 14 will multiply with this and 7 will multiply with this. The 14 6 the 84. Obviously, yes. See, eat badam. 14 6 the 84 is to 14 7 the Moy 91. 14 7 the no, sorry, 98. Sorry guys, badam is not working. Badam is not badaming. So brain is not braining. So 84 is to 98. And here also we will multiply 14 7 the 98 is to 7 9 the 63. Okay. Now we got the BCCDC here. C and C. So C and C is similar, 98 and 98. Now we will see A is to B, 5 is to 3. And here B is to C is 84 is to 98. Means the B and B are common. So here B and B is 3, another B is 84. So what we will do? We will do cross multiplication? No. Why no? If we will do a cross multiplication, then 3 will multiply here. So everything will change. Again, these two will not be similar. So what you will do? Wait, badam. We'll use our small brain. We'll use our small brain. So what we will do? This is B and this is B. So remember, means keep in your tale, keep in your head, mind. We are not going to multiply. How we'll do the cross multiplication here? 14 and 7 we will not cross multiply, because if we'll multiply cross multiply, if we'll do a cross multiply, this 98 into 3, it will get changed. So this will again, it will not be there. Then again we have to do, again it will change. So it won't come. So what you have to do? This is a 3, the B value. Divide this B value with 84. So 84 divided by 3. 28. How much is coming? 28, because I don't want to change now. What I will do, whatever the value is here, because this B and this B are same. So this B is 3 and this B is 84. So what you will do, whatever this value is there, divide by this. Okay, don't divide this 3 by 84. Divide 84 by 3. Divide 84 by 3. Bigger by smaller. 84 by 3 you will get 28. So now you will multiply whole with 28. Okay, 28 into 5, 140. 140 is to 28 into 3, 84. Now you can see here, I will write A is to B is to C is to D. So what is A is to is 140, 140 is to B. See, this both is a BB. So 84, 84, same. So B is 84, is to C is C. This both are CC. So CC is 98, is to D is 63. Now what we have to do? Obviously we have to simplify. Simplify means it will go by what? 63. See, this will go by 2, 2, 2, but 63. It will go by what we will take? According to here, we will take 7. Okay, so 7 if will get cancelled. So 63 divided by 7, it is 9. So this will become 9. So we have to divide by 7. Okay. So 7 9 is 63, then 98. 98 divided by 7, 14. Then 84. 84 divided by 7, 12. 140 divided by 7 is 20. Now see, 20 is to 12 is to 14 is to 9. Option E is the answer. Simple. So here means keep in your mind that here again we are not going to do a cross multiplication. What we will do with this B, the biggest number will divide by the smallest number. Whatever the number you will get, that number we will multiply with this. So this will not change. Okay. And everything you have to do here with according to the example. Sorry, options. If the option like they have given a simplified form, you have to write in simplified form. If they will not give in simplified form, don't write in simplified form. Okay. Okay. See, this is a salary question, very important. Each and every year they are asking a one question on the salary. Very important. So what you will do? First of all, I will eat the badam. John banega John छोटा भीम. So now what we will do? See, they are given the salary of A, B, C are in the ratio 2:3:4. So what is salary of A? 2x. Not will not take the, चलो ले लेते हैं. Salary of A is 2x, B का 3x, C का 4x. Right? Salary of A, B, C are in the ratio 2:3:4. So salary of A is 2x, salary of B is 3x, salary of C is 4x. If the increment of 10%, 20% and 30% are allowed in their respective salaries, means guys, see what happened, increment is happening. What is happening? Fog is happening. So increment will happen on which? Increment will happen on old salary. Okay, suppose your salary is 30,000. Suddenly the morning the manager will come and he will say, good morning, your salary will increase by 10%. Means your increment is of 10%. So what you will think? 10% of old salary, that is the increment, right? 10% of old salary is the increment. He has asked then what will be the new ratio of their salary, means we have to find the new salaries. What we have to find, guys? We have to find the new salary. New salary, how you will find? Old salary, right? Whatever your old salary is there, in that you will add the increment, right? Yes sir, very good. How you will find the old new salary? So whatever the old salary, suppose old salary is 30,000 and the increment is 3,000. So 30,000 plus 3,000, 33,000 is your new salary, correct? So old salary is given 2, 3, 4. Old salary is given. What about the increment? Increment means whatever the percentage is given, we have to multiply with the old salary. We will get the increment, right? Suppose your old salary is 30,000 and you got an increment of 10%. So 10% of 30,000, that is the increment value. Then that increment value you will add with the old salary. You will get the answer. Yes. So new salary means old salary plus increment. Simple. So we will find for A, B, C. So first we will take for A. A means what will happen? What is the A old salary? 2. Very good. So 2 plus, right, old salary plus increment. Increment how much happen? 10% means 10 by 100 of 2. Correct? Increment means whatever the percentage of that much percentage of old salary. So what we will do here? We will cancel 0, 0. So it will happen 2 on the 2. So already I have told you when it will be like this, what you will do? We will multiply. So 10 to the, it will multiply. 10 to the 20. 20 plus 2. 22 by 10. See how this 2 came? I have written this, multiply this. 1 into 2 is 2. So 10 to the 20 plus, how much? 20 plus 2 is 22 by 10. B is what is the old salary? 3 because increment is happening. So plus we have to do increment. Increment is 20%. So 20% of what? 20% of old salary. Old salary is 3. This 0, 0 will get cancelled. Now 2 into 3 is 6. Here it will come 6. So we'll multiply. 10 3 the 30. 30 plus 6. It will become 36 by 10. Otherwise you have to multiply this 2, 3 and 6 and write it here. So you have to add with this value. Okay. Now C is what? For finding the C here. So C is old salary. Old salary is what? Old salary is 4. 4 plus increment is 30%. So 30 by 100 into 4. So what will happen? 0, 0 will get cancelled. 3 for the 12. So here it will be 12. Now what we will do? It will go here, multiply. So 10 for the 40. 40 plus 12. How much? 40 plus 12, 52. 52 by 10. So we have to find the salary. Okay, new ratio of their salary means A is to B is to C. What we have to do? We have to do A is to B is to C. So when we'll do A is to B is to C, see this 10, 10, 10 will get cancel. Okay, what will happen here? If we'll do A is to B is to C, so A is 22 by 10 is to B is 36 by 10 is to C is 52 by 10. So 10, 10, 10 will get cancelled. We get 22 is to 36 is to 52. We have to see the option. Okay, option कौन सा होगा भाई? 22, 36, 52. You can see here. This will go by 2, 11 to the 22, 18 to the 36, then 26 to the 52. So answer will be 11 is to 18 is to 26. 11 is to 18 is to 26. So 11 is to 18 is to 26. Done? Yes sir. 5 भी हो गया ना, छोड़ा तो नहीं कुछ. सही है. Now see, you have to sit it here. So whatever in your mind, whom you are chatting and all, say them for 1 hour, 1.5 hours, that switch off the mobile, switch off your mobile, calculator. Switch off your mobile, switch off your mobile. Okay, read. Otherwise, read from laptop, computer, switch off your mobile for 1.5 hours. Very important. You will score 3 out of 3 if you will do this much questions, and still I will do the question. So today we are doing the 20 sums. If you will do these many sums easily, how much? Easily you will score 3 out of 3. This 20 sums, another 20-25 sums we will do. Okay, almost 25-30 sums it will go. So you do that much. So whatever the sums I will do here, okay, I am saying you once again, whatever the sums I will do here, means I will record the video for that sums, and I will give the extra sums in the Telegram channel. So those who have not joined, you can join my Telegram channel. So in that also you will get the extra sums. So you can practice that extra sums, you will become more perfect in that. So but please don't go for any other MTP and other book and all. So whatever I am doing, focus, stick to this, because I am collecting all the PYQs, all the important questions and all based upon like 5 to 6 years. Okay, so that much is enough. So again they are given, I have told salary question is important. Salary of A, B, C are in the ratio 2:3:5. If the increment of 15%, 10%, 20% are allowed, then what will be the new ratio of their salary? So again we will do the same thing. We will take A. A is what? So new salary. New salary means old salary. Old salary is 2 plus how much increment? 15%. The 15 by 100 of 2. 15 by 100 of 2. So what I will do? I will multiply 15 to the 30. So 100 into 2. 100 into 2, 200. 200 plus 30, it will be 230 by 100. Then B number. B is 3. 3 plus 10% of 3. So again 10 3 the 30. So we'll multiply 100 3 the 300. 300 plus 30 is 330 by 100, because denominator is 100. C is what? C is 5. The 5 plus 20 by 100 into 5. Okay, so 25 the 100. So 100 plus 500, sorry, 100 into 5, 500 plus 100 is 600 by 100. So we have to find A is to B is to C. So A is to B is to C. They are near their new salary. Okay, new salaries. So 230 by 100 is to 330 by 100 is to 600 by 100. So what will happen? 0 0 will get cancelled, 0 0 will get cancelled, 0 0 will get cancelled. Now 10 10 10 will get cancelled. So how much we got? 23 is to 33 is to 60. So 23 is to 33 is to 60 is where? 23 is to 33 is to 60. What in power? Okay. In a mixture of 28 liters. So guys, this is a mixture question. Mixture question, again important questions. Okay. So this is a mixture question. So they have told in a mixture of 28 liters. So we have a mixture of 28 liters. So the ratio of milk and water. So what is the ratio? Ratio of milk and water is 5:2. So you will find, so okay, milk ratio means how much the quantity of milk, we will find that. So what we will do, milk is 5, right? Milk is what? Milk is 5. So 5x, yes sir. Milk is what? Milk is 5. Okay. So milk is what? Milk is what? Milk is 5. Correct. Milk is what? Milk is 5x. Okay. So 5x divided by, guys, see, it is a mixture. It is a mixture, and we have to find for whole. We have to find for whole. So what we will do? Quantity means milk quantity we are finding. Milk quantity, how we will find? Quantity of milk divided by total quantity. Total quantity is 5 plus 2, 7x. Milk quantity divided by total quantity into total mixture is 28. Same we will do for water. Water, they have told water, same. Quantity of water 2x divided by whole quantity 7x into total mixture 28. So x, c or x and x got cancelled. 7 for the 28. So 5 for the 20. 7 for the 28. 2 to the 2 to the sorry 2 for the 8. Okay. Understand. What, sir? 2 to the 4, sir? How, sir? 4 is the 2 for the 8, sir? 2 for the 8, sir? 2 for the 8. Okay, I know it. 2 for the 8. So milk is 20 liters. Okay. And milk is 8 liters. Okay. So 20 plus 8, 28 liters. But the condition is if 2 liters of milk were added to the mixture. Only 2 liters of milk is added to the mixture. See, in the water they are adding the milk. Sorry, in the milk they are adding the water. Pop lagega, pop. So 2 liters of milk were added, guys. So here 2 liters of milk were added. Sorry. 2 liters of water. Oh, I have to eat badam. 2 liters of water are added. So milk is 20 liter, water will become 8 plus 2 liters extra. So 10 liters. Okay. Now they told ratio of milk and water in the new mixture. So milk is to water. Milk is 20 is to water is 10. So 20 is to 10 means 0 will get cancelled. New ratio is 2:1. So option is not there, but answer is 2:1. They have told the ratio of two quantities 3:4 means we will take 3x by 4x. Correct. The ratio of two quantities 3:4 means 3x and 4x. If the antecedent is 30, so antecedent is this. This is 30 means what? Antecedent is 30. So x is 30 by 3. 30 divided by 3. X is 10. They told the consequent is, what is the consequent? Consequent is 4x. So 4x, what is the x value we got is 10. 4 10 the 40. Answer is 40. Badam. Very important. The ratio compounded means you have to find compounded ratio. CR means compounded ratio, not the CR everyone knows, right? Ronaldo. Okay. So compounded ratio. What is the formula of compounded ratio? Product of antecedent by product of consequent. The ratio of compounded of, see, these are the antecedent. This. So 2 into 6 into 5 into 4 divided by product of consequent. Consequent means this 3 into 4 into 6 into 10. See, now what most of the people will use the Newton brain. Which brain? Newton brain. So what you will do? You will do 2 into 6 12, 12 into 5 60, 60 into 4 240. Divided by 3 for the 12, 12 6 the 72, 72 10 the 720. Then you will cut this, then you will simplify, then you will get the answer in simplified. Till you will get the answer, you will say yes. Examiner will say yes. Time up. So what you have to do? We have to use our human brain. We have to use our human brain, not the Newton brain. Whenever you will get like this type of means what you can say, the multiplication. Okay, what you will do? We will cancel it first. So see here, 3 to the 6, 2 to the 4, okay, 5 to the 10, 2 to the 4, 2 3 the 6. Okay, you will cancel. So what will happen? Once you will cancel, you will get in a simplified form. See, in the numerator nothing is there, so 1. In the denominator 3. So what is the answer? Answer is 1:3. 1:3. That's it. So you will get in a simplified form. You should not have to again convert in simplified form. The compounded ratio. Again we have to find the compounded ratio CR. The compounded ratio of 4:9 means 4 9, right? Yes sir. Antecedent consequent into duplicate ratio of 3:4. Guys, I have told you duplicate is what? Square of that ratio. Duplicate. So 3:4 means 3 square and 4 square. So 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. Guys, don't do this. I have seen so many students doing. So many students will do like this. Which are this 3 square means 3 to the 6. Done. Or they will say 3 into 2. 6. No. What will happen? Moi will happen. Okay. So 3 square is 3 3 the 9. 4 square is 4 4 the 16. Into, they have told triplicate ratio of 2:3. Triplicate means cube. 2 cube is 8. 3 cube is what? 3 3 9 3 the 27. John banega ton choda bhi. And subduplicate ratio of 9:64. Subduplicate means, guys, subduplicate means square root. So 9 square root is 3. If you don't know, please take the calculator, do 9, press the square root button, you will get 3. So the square root of 64 is 8. So what we will do? We'll cancel it. 8 8 got cancelled, 9 9 got cancelled, 4 1 the 4, 4 4 the 16 got cancelled, 3 1 the 3, 3 9 the 27 got cancelled. So in the numerator we have 1, divided by the denominator we have a 4, 9 the 36. So 1:36. So 1:36. Yeah. Simple. Now next question they have given, if A is to B is 3/4, means A by B equals 3/4. A by B equals 3/4. You have to find the value of this. 3A plus 2B divided by 3A plus 4B. Means what we have to do? If we substitute the value of A and B, we will get the answer. So as I have told you, okay, I have not told you, but I will tell you this. Okay, like this. If you will get like this, A by B equals 3/4, means this is a numerator, this is a denominator, this is a numerator, this is a denominator, means numerator is equals to numerator, denominator is equals to denominator. Remember the thing, this is the easy trick. A by b equals 3 by 4. What you will do, numerator is equals to numerator, denominator is equals to denominator every time. Suppose if you will get like this, x by y equals 3 by 7. So what is the x value? Numerator is equals to numerator 3, denominator is equals to denominator y 7. What sir, every time you will bring x sir, what sir, go sir, I will not do sir, I am going sir. So what is the value of a? A is 3, b is 4. Okay, now you have to substitute the value as 3. So a is what? 3. So 3 into 3, 9, plus b is 2, b is 4. Okay, I will do it here. 3a, so 3 into a is what? 3, plus 2b, 2 into b is how much? 4, divided by 3a, so 3 into 3 plus 4b, 4 into b is how much? 4. So 3 3 the 9, plus 2 4 the 8, divided by 3 3 the 9, plus 4 4 the 16. So 9 plus 8, 17, divided by 9 plus 16, 25. So answer is 17 is to 25. 17 is to 25, this 17 is to 25. Okay. Two numbers B number has okay, two numbers are in the ratio 2 is to 3. So two numbers are in the ratio 2x by 3x. If 5 is subtracted from each, means 5 is subtracted from each. So 5 is subtracted from each. What will happen? They are in the ratio 1 is to 2. The numbers are. So what we are going to do? 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 What we are going to do is, we know that what we will do. Sir, cross multiplication. Sir, cross multiplication. We'll do the cross multiplication. Now 2 will multiply with what? 2 will multiply with 2x minus 5 equals 1 will multiply, so it will be same 3x minus 5. So 2 to the 4x minus 2 5 the 10 equals 3x minus 5. I will bring the x one side and I will send the constant to other side, because we have studied already the like term will be one side, unlike term will be other side. So this is a 4x and this is a plus 3x will come this side, so minus 3x equals, this is a minus 5y, this minus 10 will go that side, so plus 10. So how much you are getting? 4x minus 3x is x equals 10 minus 5 is 5. So we got the x value as 5. So what is the ratio? 2x is to 3x, right? Means not the 2x is to. We have the ratio is 2x and 3x. So 2x, 2 5 the 10, comma 3x, 3 5 the 15. So 10 comma 15 is the answer. 10 comma 15. John banega Don Chota Bheem. Okay. Now very important question. Very important questions. They have told a sum of 9,000. The sum of 9,000. Sum of 9,000. So sum of 9,000 is divided among A, B, C. So what is the number? The number is 9,000 is divided among A, B, C in such a way that the share of A and B are in the ratio 3:4. So the share of A is to B in the ratio of 3:4, and of B and C are in the ratio 4:5. So B and C are in the ratio 4:5. So what we get to know? We get to know the ratio of A is to B is to C is what? A is to B. A is 3, See this, B and B is common, so it's 4 and 4, so B is 4. So A is 3, B is 4 and C is 5. So ratio of A is to B is to C is 3 is to 4 is to 5. So the amount received by C. So guys, what we get to know here? In this question we get to know that 9,000 is the sum. It is divided in a ratio of this. 9,000 is the sum. Okay, 9,000 is a number n, and it is divided in the ratio A is to B is to 3, means 3 part. Correct? Those who are understanding, it's very good. I have told you in the ratio concept, the very important concept what they will ask in the examination. So 9,000 is a number which is getting divided into A is to B is to C. Means in how many ratios? 3 ratios. Means how many parts? 3 parts, right? A number will be in 2 ratios, so 2 parts. A number having the 3 ratios, 3 parts. So this is a number which is having the 3 ratios, means will get divided into 3 parts. So we have to find the amount received by C, means we have to find for third part. Third part means what we have to do? We have to write the n. Formula is what? N, the number divided by the sum of the ratios A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C into, it is the third part. So third part means C. First part means A, second part means B, third part is C. So n is what? N is 9,000 divided by sum of the ratio. So 3 plus 4 plus 5. So 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 into, wait a minute. So 12 into what we have to do? The C number. C number is third ratio. Third ratio is 5. Those who have seen the ratio concept, you will understand. This is very important concept as I have told you. So the number divided by the sum of the ratio, 3 plus 4, 7 plus 5, 12 into the C part. Third part means third ratio, 5. So what we will do? 9,000 divided by 12. How much you will get? Multiply with 5. The answer is 3750. So 3750. Here it is, 3750. Yes. Now we'll come for the next question. Important one. The ratio of ages of father to that of son is 8 is to 3. So the ratio of father to the son is 8x by 3x. On the present day, now father and son ratio is 8x by 3x. After 10 years, means what will happen, guys? Plus 10, right? After 10 years means we have to add the 10 years. After 10 years, what will happen? This ratio will be 2 by 1. So how many years old should the father be at the time of birth of the son? So when the son took birth, at that time, what is the age of the father? So what we will do? First of all, we will find the present age of father and son. Okay, from that we will do. So this type of things, what we will do? We will do a cross multiplication. Very good, jolly good. So it will multiply same. It will 8x plus 10 multiply with 1 means same. It will get 8x plus 10 equals 2 will multiply with what? 2 will multiply with 3x plus 10. So 8x plus 10 equals 3 to the 6x plus 210 the 20. So what we will do? We will bring the x one side, but we know if we'll keep the x 2x together, the fight will happen. The fight will happen. What will happen? Moe. So 8x is there, so 6x will bring that side. So this is a positive, it will come minus. So 8x minus 6x, this is the x, equals 20, and this plus 10 will go that side, so minus 10. So 8x minus 6x is what? 2x. 20 minus 10 is 10. So we got x equals 10 by 2, that is 5. So x is 5. So present age of father is 8x, means 8 into 5, 40 years. Present age of father is 40 years, and present age of son is 3x. So 3 5 the 15 years. So at the time of the birth, what is the age of the father? Means at the time of the birth of the son, what is the age of the father? So son is 15 years, father is 40 years. Means what will happen? Son age is 0 years because he took the birth. So father age will be, you have to go 15 years back, 40 minus 15. So father age is 25 years, right? So 25 years. Done. Now next, the ratio of two quantities. The ratio of two quantities is is 6 is to 5. The ratio of two quantity is 6 is to 5. Means what will happen? 6x by 5x. If the consequent of its inverse ratio is 12, so what is the consequent of its inverse ratio? We have to do the inverse ratio. So the ratio of two quantity is 6 is to 5. Why it's coming? Okay, just a moment. Yeah. So okay, so fine, what they have told, the ratio of two quantities 6 is to 5, so 6x by 5x. If the consequent of its inverse ratio, so inverse ratio for this is what? 5x by 6x. What is this? Is the inverse ratio. So inverse ratio is what? 5x by 6x. So for the inverse ratio, consequent is 12. What is the consequent? This is the consequent is 12. So 6x equals 12. The consequent is 12. So x is what? 12 by 6. 12 divided by 6 is 2. X is 2. Then the antecedent is 5x. The 5 into 2, it is 10. Yeah, answer is 10. Now the ratio between the speed of two train is, okay, they have given the speed of two train, so speed be 5x and 8x, right? They have told the ratio between the speed of two train be 5 is to 8, means speed be 5x and 8x. So first train is having the speed of 5x and the second train is having the speed of 8x. Very good. They told the second train runs 400 km in 5 hours. So what we know? Speed formula is what? Speed is distance divided by time. So what is the speed? Speed, they are talking about the second train. Second train is 8x. So speed is 8x equals distance is how much? 400 km in time is 5 hours. So we'll divide this. So it will be 80. It will be 80. So what it will happen? 8x equals 80. Correct. So x equals 80 divided by 8. So x equals 10. What is the x value? X value we got is 10. So they told the speed of first train. What is the speed of first train? Speed of first train is 5x. So 5x. 5 into what the x value we got is 10. So 5 10 the 50. Right, answer is 50. Easy. These are the very important questions. Okay, so I will do like that for every chapter. Okay. So for what I will do, for every I will do. So for what I will do is every chapter I will upload like this only. Okay, first I will give the concept of the one chapter. Okay, then after that what I will do, I will make a separate video for the problems. So which problem? Not your life problem. So this problem. So I will make a separate video of the problems. So in each video I will make around 15 or 10 problems. Okay, so this video I have made a 20 problems. So from next onwards, for each video I will either make 10 problems or 15 problems, like that from each and every chapter, guys. From every chapter you will get almost 50 problems. From every chapter you will get the 50 problems. So these all are the 50 problems like PYQ already appeared in the previous year questions, or the most expected questions, any the most expected questions. Okay, so if you solve these 50 problems from each chapter, maybe 50 or it will reach to 60 also. So if you solve the 50 or 60 problems from each chapter, what I am doing here, easily you can score in the paper 3. Easily you can cross 70 plus in the paper 3. Aya, uima, yes, that is a correct. Okay, so they have asked the question is a pencil of length 12 centimeter. Okay, pencil is there, the length 12 centimeter is broken down in 3 parts in the ratio 1 is to 2 is to 3. Okay, again they have a ratio 1 is to 2 is to 3, means A is to B is to C. What are the length of the 3 parts? So you have to find the length of all the 3 parts. Okay, so what you have to do is, those who got very good. So 12 means this is a n, number n is given and it is divided into how many ratios? It is in the 3 ratios. A number n is given and it is in the 3 ratios, means it will divide into 3 parts. The part A, what is the formula? The total number n divided by sum of the ratio. So 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. For all it will be same, correct? N divided by the sum of the ratio 6. For part C also n divided by the sum of the ratios into what you will do, this is the part 1, so multiply with the first ratio 1. This is the part second, multiply with second ratio 2. This is the third part, multiply with third ratio 3. So 6 to the 12, 2 1 the 2. So 2 centimeter, 6 to the 12, 2 to the 4 centimeter, 6 to the 12, 2 3 the 6 centimeter. This means what? 2 4 6, these are the parts. So you can calculate, means you can add 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 6 12, it's 12. Answer is 2 4 6. These are the 3 parts. This is a very important question, guys. This topic I have already explained. Each and every year they are asking a question from this. Oh, this question is also an important question. Very easy. Okay, they have given A is to B. A is to B is 1 is to 2. So where is the badam? Badam. Khali. A is to B is 1 is to 2. B is to C is 3 is to 4. C is to D. C is to D is 8 is to 12. And then D is to E. D is to E is 12 is to 16. You have to find here A is to B is to C is to D is to E. इतना बड़ा सर दे दिया, दुख खत्म कहीं नहीं होता है. Okay, now see here. A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E. A, B is 1, 2, B, C. So this B and this B, 2 and 3, it is means what? It is not similar. This D and this D, see this 12 and 12. Oh, they both are similar, means value is fixed for these two. We are not going to change these two. Why? Because these two have values fixed, D and D. It is 12 and 12. So what is it? Is fixed. So see, yes, we are not going to change this. We will change only these two. So how we will change? We know that for changing is very simple. This is B, this is B. So this is the B value, this is the B value, right? Yes, sir. Very good. So what is this? What we will do here? Every time we have to do a cross multiplication of the values, these values. What is the similar? So B is the similar. So B is 2, B is 3. So what we will do? We will do cross multiplication of the B value. So this will multiply with 3, this. and this will multiply with this 2. So how much will 3 1 the 3 is to 3 to the 6 equals 3 to the 6 is to 4 to the 8. Now you can see this B B, both B B are same. Okay, I will write it here. See this, A is to B, B is to C. So the B B are similar, B is to C and C is to D. So C C are similar, C is to D and D is to E. D D are similar. That's it. So we got 3 is to 6 is to 8 is to 12 is to 16. This is the answer. And yep. Okay, so this is the for ratio and proportion 20 questions. Again in the next class, as I have told you, from each chapter I will prepare almost 50-60 sums from each chapter. Okay, so and guys, those who have not seen the ratio and proportion concept, please, in the description I have given the link for ratio and I have given the link for proportion also. Go and check out, so understand the concept from there and then solve this. Okay, and I have given the link of the Telegram channel also. So what you will do, you can join the Telegram channel. In that I will share this PDF. Okay, and whatever the others I will share the same in the Telegram channel, and in the Telegram channel only I will give you the test, as I am conducting the test also, and I will give you the practice material in the Telegram only. So you solve that much, it's enough. You can clear the paper 3 in first attempt only. You will not clear, you will score what? You can score easily 65-70 plus. Okay, so the thing is nothing. Okay, just do it, practice. If you get any type of doubt, anything, you can comment in the comment box. Okay, so what will happen in the next video, I will explain that questions and then we'll start the next video, and share with your friends, and also they will also get the benefit. Okay guys, so thank you for this is for this much question for this video. In the next video I will bring come I will bring the more sums. No one is coming. Okay guys, thank you, bye bye.